Hey guys, it's Kelly here from Flexico Storage and Floors. Have you ever wanted to make this pattern your garage floor, but don't know how to? Well, I'm going to make a very quick video on how to turn that pattern into your dream garage. Now, it's very easy, and we'll give this to you when you do it, but basically everything runs in a line. So you don't worry about this way, you only worry about the vertical, the top to the bottom. Now, what we're going to do, this pattern actually comes from this direction. This is the front of the garage up the top. But 1 is associated with slate grey and black, 2 is associated with white and pearl grey, and 3 is associated with pearl silver, slate grey. The G is for the green. So as we piece this together, you have rows of it. Again, you're working straight up the garage. I'm going to take a time-lapse video so it's nice and fast for you guys to watch, and you'll see us lay it in colours and in the lines going back to the back of the garage. That way you'll get this pattern installed in about as much time as just putting down a straight checkers pattern or something like that. All right, let's get into it. So what the easiest thing to do is actually line your tiles up where they correspond. Start with the starting point and then move the box across. That will actually help you get them lined up and not make it too confusing. When you put the greys next to each other, they can be similar. So now that we've got the pattern laid and we've followed the guide with this, so it's, you know, the slate grey, then black, and then the white and the pearl grey, the silver, then the slate grey. Now that we've got that all done, it's just like any other install. Now you cut in. So we've got a pillar around here, a couple of legs, and a ducted vacuum system. So let's get on with that. But that is how you get this pattern down. Nice and simple. And if you have a close look, or if you re-watch the video, one of the main things is to have someone laying and someone following the pattern. So if you see in it, I'm busy dropping tiles so that the person knows where they're going to clip in, and that does also help when you're working as a team. Alrighty, let's get the cutting in done.